Alright, so here we have a question that is grade 5 from Singapore, which is different if you're in North America or Europe, for example. Now, I'm going to give you two approaches to this same problem, and let me know what you find is easier or better. So the first way is through algebra, but of course, grade 5 at the time, in Singapore, they don't even learn algebra, much less in the West. But we're going to do that anyway. So we're going to have two containers with some water. Now container A's got 9/8 as much as another container, B. Then we pour 300 milliliters of water from A to B. Now after that, container A has 5/12 as much as B, which is less because it's a smaller fraction. Now we want to know how much water they have in both containers. So if we do an algebraic approach, we want to let A be A milliliters and B be B milliliters. Now we can express the first equation, A equals 8/9 of B. Okay. Now in the second equation, we're going to subtract 300 from A, and it's going to be 5/12 of what B gains, which is 300 more. And we're just trying to solve these two equations. So it's going to take some time. So we're going to expand the second equation. So we have 5b over 12 plus 5 times 300 over 12. Now that's the same thing here. So here we have to simplify that. 300 divided by 12, what is that? Well, that's just 25. So that's 125. You're going to copy the same thing here. Okay. Now we're going to add the 300 over. So A is just 5b over 12 plus 425. Now A is equal to this guy. 8b over 9 is equal to 5b over 12 plus 425. Now AB, we can just simply take the b out and say 8 over 9, and then you're going to take this fraction over, equal to 425. The problem is, okay, now we're going to figure out this fraction. So 9 and 12, we need to simplify with 3. So we have 9 times 4, 36 is the common denominator. So we're going to times 8 by 4, we get 32. Then this is times 4, so we get, no, this is times 3, because this is times 3. So we have 15. So that means we have 17 over 36. B is equal to 425. Okay. So B is equal to 425 over 17 times 36. I can't simplify that, but we have to try to figure that out. 425 divided by 17, that's 85, so 25. So 25 times 36 is equal to B. Now I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to write 5 squared times 6 squared, which is 30 squared. That's 900. So we know B is 900. What's A? A is just 8/9 of 900. So that's 100. So we know that 800. So we found it. So we know that A plus B is equal to 1700. We found it. Now that's a lot of work. Okay, now what about for the second method? For the second method, well, we know that A and B, there's a ratio of 8 to 9. And we know that we're going to become 5 and 12, okay? Now we know that we're going to lose 300 milliliters, and we're going to gain 300 milliliters. And we know that here you see, we're losing 3 of these units, and we're going to gain 3 units. So what this means is 3 units is equal to 300 milliliters, which means 1 unit is equal to 100 milliliters. And how many units do we have? Well, we haven't lost any, so that's 17 units. Each is 100, so 100 milliliters. So the answer is 17 milliliters. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.